Today we'll be showing you how to wire your garage door opener. What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name is Colton. Today I'm here with my good friend Roger Bartholomew. And this is going to be part 2 of 3 to show you how to install your garage door opener. So Roger, give us a rundown of how this wiring and what we're going to do today.
We're going to connect the garage door opener and the electronic eyes to the garage door motor. Here's the tools that we're going to need to wire your garage door opener. You're going to need a screwdriver and wire strippers. You'll also need a hammer and a drill to drill pilot holes. To install the wiring for your garage door, it'll take about 20 minutes.
Let's get started.
Go over to your main garage door opener in the garage and remove that from the wall. Oftentimes when you remove this wire you can reuse it, but because of how old this garage wire was, we wanted to replace it, start with new. So we used the provided wire, split the wire, then made sure we stripped the ends, and then when you attach this to the new garage door opener, you're going to loosen these bolts, red and white, and attach the red wire to the red one and the white one to the white one. The red one is actually a white one with a red stripe. After you tighten the screws down, go over to the wall and have a pilot hole, and then also where the bolt is going to go. Screw that down, tighten it up. Now take the staples that were included with this Chamberlain purchase. You're going to structure a wire line all the way to the garage door. Now oftentimes this is usually pretty clean, it comes out of the wall. Split and strip the other end of the wire, and you're going to take a screwdriver and push in this little orange tab and put the red wire in the red box and the white wire in the white box. Now go grab your garage sensor laser holder bracket things and attach them to the garage like so. These brackets will secure themselves by pressure. You don't have to add in any bolts. Make sure that these little prongs don't go beyond the track or else your garage door won't open. Now grab your garage door sensors, attach those on with a bolt and wing nut, and staple a wire line to your garage door opener. And before you put the wires in the actual garage door opener, you're going to have 4 wires, but you're only going to have 2 places to put them, a white one and a black one. What you're going to have to do is split and strip both sensor wires and put the blacks together and the whites together, and make sure that the whites are then put in the white box and the blacks are put in the black box. Plug in the garage door opener, and now you should have power. Look at your sensors, you should have a green light and an amber light. Go to your garage door opener and push this middle button once, and you're going to then hear a beep. At this point you need to now take your garage door track and attach that to your garage door. So what that means is if you push and hold the down button all the way until your garage door clicks in, and that emergency release is now horizontal. The arrow should still be blinking orange reddish color, so now that you have the garage door attached, push and hold that all the way until you get to the point of where you want your garage door to open without going too far and hitting that bolt. Once you have that spot located, push that middle button again and the light will blink. Now the down arrow should be the orange reddish color, and go ahead and push and hold that up until the point of where you want your garage door to close. Once you're finished, push the middle button, the light will blink, and push the up arrow just to test it. Make sure that you watch your garage door and it truly stops at the point where you told it to stop, and then you can then go back and push the down arrow and also test it and make sure that it stops where you told it to stop, and you're done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked what you just watched, consider subscribing by clicking on this icon right here. Also, if you want to see other videos just like this one, go ahead and click on this link right up here. Be sure to go check out part 3 of 3 on how to replace your garage door opener. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.